Wednesday, the 2nd of December. Well, yesterday we saw quite heavy activities on all LME metals, especially copper, where the copper price has rose to a high level of almost $7,700 a ton, and also the Shanghai copper prices, which were hitting actually a 8-year high, based on the news about solid Chinese manufacturing data and also prospects for COVID-19 vaccines, which has been underpinned hope of a quick economic recovery. This morning we can see that there is some profit-taking activities. Copper is losing some ground, about 0.3%. Nickel is losing more than 1%. Aluminium is slightly going up, almost 0.3%, while the other metals like tin and zinc are quite losing slightly some ground. The LME London copper price is definitely the best performer among all the LME base metals on a year-to-date basis. Chinese factory activity has accelerated at the fastest pace in a decade in November. That's what a business survey actually showed. And as the world's second largest economy and top copper consumer recovers to pre-pandemic levels, this is putting high up the prices. Actually, Goldman Sachs came up with a forecast for next year and is even seeing a copper price level of $9,500 for next year. So quite more than bullish sentiment, as we can say. Well, also the developments with vaccines are putting up the market and the mood on the market to higher levels. More positive vaccine trial news continues to boost the sentiment. That's what an analyst of ANZ said. Sentiment is also being supported by more positive economic data. And the trader also said that anyone actually who is financing short-term physical long positions in metals will lose the funds, and at these prices will mostly sell out the physical position and take the profits. So that's what is already happening today, and which might also happening within the next days. On the currency side, we can see that the euro is still strong against the dollar, holding the levels of 120. Right now it's being traded at 120.60. So that's what is also putting up the prices on the currency side, while the precious metals are also slightly going down this morning. Have a good day.